So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm not making a tutorial and all that. It's just my review and analysis. It's been 1 year since I started this YouTube channel, so it's like a first anniversary or first happy what do YouTube call it, first birthday. So how has the journey been? It's just a review on how the journey has been so far. So I can check my analytics right now. I'm currently at 130 subscribers. So that's after 1 year. Let's check my monetization percentage. Monetization, I'm currently at 10% of what's needed. So I need 90%. So if it's subscribers, you need 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 130. If it's watch hours, I'm currently at maybe 400. So that's 10%. So what's my take on YouTube? Should I quit or should I continue? Well, I started this YouTube journey with my friend. My friend has managed to get monetized. The approach that he took is quite different from mine. My friend takes videos from blown up channels. So if a video has managed to gain many subscribers or a lot of viewers, he will just recreate that video and upload it. So that's has rewarded him with 1K subscribers right now, and the watch hours has hit. So what's my take on YouTube? Yeah, YouTube is something that you just show up, maintain your audience, know your audience. Because right now I know most of my audience is financially conscious. So they won't use something that is paid if there is an alternative. Most of the videos that I've made that have blown well is those free something, free this, free this, free this. So I know that my audience is financially conscious. You can't just say that you have subscribers right now, I'm going to start selling digital products and all that. So that won't work. So what will work is that with time your subscribers or the channel is going to grow with audience. They will reward me with monetization in return. Yes, so that's what you expect. So am I going to quit or going to continue? There's no quitting. I'm going all out on this, and we are here to inspire generations, and so let's continue keeping the content flowing and all that. I'm trying to make the content as useful and as valuable as possible. So if you have been here for long, thank you so much, and I really appreciate you. Let's keep moving, and see you on the next one, guys. Peace.